Right folks, we're away to make up this little bedside cabinet now. It's from IKEA. I bought it a few weeks ago and it's been sitting there for, well, since we bought it basically. And you know me, I'm useless at doing these things. So here we go folks. It's now 2 o'clock. Let's see how long it takes me to make this. Here we go. Okay folks, I'm not liking this. There's loads of screws, loads of little pins, and oh man, and I think there's glue as well. Just for a cabinet, look. Loads of bits and pieces, man. Loads of it. Goodness me, all this. Right, okay, already a problem with these things. Now when I was screwing it in, well that's not right, that can't, there's nothing there, just you have to put the screw in. It doesn't tell you that this bit here has to be 4-way, so I've had to take them off and re-screw them. Honestly, I hate DIY, I really hate DIY, man. I really hate it, man. Folks, another disaster. I've lost a screw. I've lost one of the little screws that goes into the runner. How can I have lost it? Lord. Right, it's hammer time, folks. Oh, for heaven's sake, folks, I made a right bollocks up of this. Look, I put the smooth wood at the, oh, for goodness sake. Ah, what a dough ball. That's the chipped side. It should be the veneer side like that. Oh my God, I can't believe it, man. Why didn't tell you in the instructions, man? What do I have to do? I'm going to have to take the whole thing apart. Oh my God, folks. Right, I've sorted the drawer. I've sorted it, folks, but I hate DIY. I hate DIY. I hate DIY. I hate DIY. Hate DIY. I hate DIY. I hate DIY. I hate DIY. Drawers are taking shape. There we go. I finished it, folks. I've done it. There it is. I have finished it. God almighty, there was a right kerfuffle though, as I had the wrong side facing out there with the thingy. But I've done it. Yes, I have. I think there's only one more thing to do. I have to put a screw in to stop the drawers actually coming all the way out. So that's the last thing to do. But basically, that's it. I've done it. I've made something. Hey, get in. Right, folks, there we go. The time is now 15:52. So that took me, what did I say? Goodness me, it took about 2 hours. 2 hours, folks, to do that. I mean, I was fluffing about a bit and I had that incident where I had to dismantle it a little bit. So, yeah, a couple of hours. Honestly, folks, for a little chest of drawers, 2 hours. Goodness me. Alright, folks, well, that's that DIY done. I suppose it was quite simple after, you know, if I was used to doing it, it'll be okay. But because I'm not really very handy at all, folks, it was a bit of a kerfuffle. But we've done it. We've made it, folks. Thanks very much for being with me. See you sooner than you think.